Modern CRM with built-in telephony means a quick launch and full control over your sales from day one. A ready-made solution with no complex setup. Getting started is simple. Register with Zadarma, create the PBX, and activate Teamsale CRM. Then specify your domain and add your employees. They will automatically receive an email invitation with a login link to the CRM. Next, set up your system and everything will be ready to use within a minute. After logging in, you are taken to the main screen with a dashboard. Here, you can instantly see key information: new clients, leads, tasks, and calls. The widgets can be customized to show only what matters to you. All client-related work happens in one place. You can add contacts manually, import them, or have them created automatically when calls come in. Each client has a card where the full communication history is saved: calls, messages, and tasks. New inquiries come in as leads. They can be picked up, assigned to team members, and gradually converted into clients. Calls can be made directly from the CRM. The built-in web phone is located at the bottom of the screen. You can receive calls, call clients, and even create a new contact during a call. All sales are managed through deals. You simply move them through the stages, from first contact to successful closure. All communication is automatically saved within each deal. To avoid losing clients, use tasks and the calendar. You can schedule calls, meetings, and receive reminders. The calendar can also be synced with Google if needed. The system also has a team feature. You can add employees, assign roles, and instantly see who is online and available to work. To track performance, the CRM includes analytics for calls, deals, leads, and team productivity. This helps understand what works best and where the customers are coming from. And most importantly, Teamsale CRM is completely free. You don't need to pay for users or basic features, only for virtual phone numbers and calls. Everything you need to manage customers is already built in. Simply connect and start working.